Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to look at Bang & Olufsen Beosound Explore versus the JBL Flip 5 to see which speaker have a better audio and which one you should go for if you are considering buying a small speaker. There is a big difference in the spec as well as the price with the both speakers. We're going to look at the JBL Flip 5. Came out 2 years ago, $130. £90. They come in 11 different colors. You have black, blue, white, grey, pink, camel, and quite a lot of mixed colors as well. You can pick and choose 12 hours of playtime, audio output of 20 watts, Bluetooth 4.2, slightly older Bluetooth version, IP7, water and dust proof. JBL don't have built-in microphones to answer a phone call, and you don't get any audio intake, so audio cable intakes. On the other hand, Bang & Olufsen came out 2 weeks ago, $250. That means £170. Come in 3 different colors. You have black, grey, and green. 27 hours of playtime, so almost twice as the JBL. It does come with a 230 watts Class D amplifier, supported by Bluetooth 5.2, IP67, water and dust proof, and it doesn't have a built-in microphone as well, so you can't answer a phone call. There is no audio cable intake as well. You need to get an adapter for this speaker as well. There's almost $130 in difference, so which one to go for? We're going to try the audio with the both speakers.
Too good to be true. I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green and you. Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green and you. Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green and you. Is it too good to be true? I want this so much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. All these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green and you.
Need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in signs to let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in signs to let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in signs to let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes, stay in your lane. Need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in signs to let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes.
Whoa, whoa. Catch it, put it in a jar to have and to hold. To save for later, you cannot trust it to come again. To wait for you to find a pen and fill the paper with the message that it wants to send. Oh, 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 catch it, put it in a jar to have and to hold. To save for later, you cannot trust it to come again. To wait for you to find a pen and fill the paper with the oh, 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 oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Catch it, put it in a jar to have and to hold. To save for later, you cannot trust it to come again. To wait for you to find a pen and fill the paper with the message that it wants to send. Whoa, 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 catch it, put it in a jar to have and to hold. To save for later, you cannot trust it to come again.
I think I'm playing chess, I see a king, I'm at his neck. I'm 3 steps ahead at every move, now that's a check. Yes, they wanna know my secret, it's because I never slept. All my nightmares of me at 40, life's a wreck. See my dad, he in debt, and my mom, she upset. That's way back when 408 on Seminole was the address. I saw things I shouldn't have, though I love the family to death. Way back then it was a mess, we was living check to check. Now my I think I'm playing chess, I see a king, I'm at his neck. I'm 3 steps ahead at every move, now that's a check. Yes, they wanna know my secret, it's because I never slept. All my nightmares of me at 40, life's a wreck. See my dad, he in debt, and my mom, she upset. That's way back when 408 on Seminole was the address. I saw things I shouldn't have, though I love the family to death. Way back then it was a mess. I think I'm playing chess, I see a king, I'm at his neck. I'm 3 steps ahead at every move, now that's a check. Yes, they wanna know my secret, it's because I never slept. All my nightmares of me at 40, life's a wreck. See my dad, he in debt, and my mom, she upset. That's way back when 408 on Seminole was the address. I saw things I shouldn't have, though I love the family to death. Way back then it was a mess. I think I'm playing chess, I see a king, I'm at his neck. I'm 3 steps ahead at every move, now that's a check. Yes, they wanna know my secret, it's because I never slept. All my nightmares of me at 40, life's a wreck. See my dad, he in debt, and my mom, she upset. That's way back when 408 on Seminole was the address. I saw things I shouldn't have, though I love the family to death. Way back then it was a mess.
Down before you stress up the groove, the energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Ain't who you talking to, just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you, because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes. Baby, you think a little too small, I got big goals, baby. Ain't where the money at, look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it, split it with my kinfolk daily, and I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, down before you stress up the groove, the energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Ain't who you talking to, just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you, because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes. Baby, you think a little too small, I got big goals, baby. Ain't where the money at, look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it, split it with my
my kinfolk daily, and I'm the type of I might change my number on you.
Tried both of the speakers with different audio. So after listening to both of the speakers, JBL Flip 5 have much better audio than the Bang & Olufsen Beosound. For the price, JBL you're paying around $90, or the Bang & Olufsen you are paying $250. A lot of price difference. The thing is, the cheaper speaker actually have the better audio. When you come to the bass, JBL have a much better audio. It's much clearer audio comparing with the Bang & Olufsen. Without any app or any equalizer, JBL have much better bass. You can buy 2 JBL speakers instead of buying the Bang & Olufsen oexplore. The Bang & Olufsen don't sound that clear comparing with the JBL. It is on, it sounds really good. But when you're comparing with the 2 speakers together, you can see the difference in the audio. If you're looking to buy a small speaker, I highly recommend going for the JBL speakers instead of going for the Bang & Olufsen oexplore. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like the video, leave the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.